Good morning. I'm back here at Bouton Lake campground in Angelina Forest here in Zavalla, Texas. I just stopped over last night because I'm on the way to Tyler, Texas to visit a friend or friends that I met on YouTube and Facebook. So as you can see, I'm the only one who slept here, camped here last night. And it's so peaceful and quiet. It was very dark last night. There was like one truck who came and visit the lake, and then they left after a few minutes. And this is a very good place to stop over for the night. Remember, it's free, nothing beats free. So I'm on my way now to get a shower at the Boykin Springs. Another good place to go for the day trip. It's free. Although if you stay overnight, that will cost you $10. So I stayed here instead. Okay. See you soon. Bye bye.